Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chia pudding that makes a brilliant healthy snack dessert, or you can enjoy it for breakfast as well. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for adaptations too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you enjoy chia puddings as much as I do. So let me show you how to make it. So I'm mixing everything together in a bowl, but you can feel free to do it in a mason jar, or if you want it super smooth, you can use a blender and blend everything together instead. I'm going for a cup of my milk. Pop it into the bowl. I'm going to go for a nice generous tablespoon of cocoa powder as my chocolate flavor, and we'll give that a nice stir through to just help that chocolate dissolve a little bit. Okay, it's not perfect, but we'll get there. Then it's up to you to sweeten as much or as little stevia, sugar, your sweetness of choice, teaspoon or more. And then chia seeds. I'm going to go 2 lovely tablespoons of chia seeds. And give that a gentle stir through. If you want, you could pop it into a blender to make it super smooth, but I just quite like mine nice and thickened, so I'm adding on a scoop of protein powder as well to make it into a whole meal for breakfast. So I've got chocolate protein powder there. You can include it or skip it if you'd prefer. So I've mixed my protein powder through. It smells pretty lovely and chocolatey. Just make sure everything is nicely mixed in and dissolved into your milk, and then we'll pop it in the fridge. This is great to make in the evening, leave it be, and in the morning you've got lovely chocolate chia pudding. Or you could make it in the morning and go out for the day and come home and you've got a lovely cold meal waiting for you, or snack, dessert, whatever you like. But I will let this thicken for a few hours and show you once the chocolate chia pudding has set and thickened from the fridge. My chocolate chia pudding has been in the fridge a few hours. You can take a look, it's thickened up beautifully. You can see if you go in with a spoon, it's a lovely pudding. It's almost like oatmeal, isn't it? It just makes such a lovely breakfast, and you can enjoy it just like this, or pop over a couple of sliced strawberries like that, maybe even some more chia seeds, some nuts. I'll leave blog posts down below which will have this recipe, has lots of ideas, as well as lots of ideas for toppings. I'm just always so excited by chocolate, strawberries. It's just such a yum breakfast, snack, dessert meal. Really perfect to keep in the fridge for when you want something nice and sweet, and it's really a whole meal with the protein powder, chia seeds, good fiber, nutrition and everything. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this chocolate chia pudding a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.